Hello, my little readers. It's another Digraph day. Before anything, we start with our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. After the Digraph Rap, I'm sure you remember what digraphs are. What are they? Right, 2 letters, 1 sound. And today's digraph is S and S and But together, they sound like shh. Somebody's sleeping. Shh. Be quiet. Easy for you to do. Let's do it together. Shh. Well done. Now, let's sing the shh song. Are you ready?
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh.
Now let's look at some words with a sh sound in them. Okay? You can find the sh sound at the beginning, or at the middle, or at the end. It's everywhere. Shall we begin? Hey! So, first word is sh. I. Pa. Again. Sh. I. Pa. Ship. Next we have I. Sh. Again. I. Fish. Okay, now here's a double digraph for you. E. Huh. Again. E. Sheep. Next, make a w. E. Again. W. E. Make a wish. Next is a. R. Again. A. R. A lot of blending there. Sharp. Sharp. Brilliant. Now, it's time for your solo work. Ready? Okay. With the help of the sound outs and myself, as I do the action, sound out the letter sounds and then read the word. Okay? Not helping you this time because I know you can do it. Let's do this. First is sh. Eh. Oh. Again. Sh. Eh. Oh. Shell. Awesome. Let's have another one. Aw. Again. Oh. I've been giving you clues. That's fine. Okay, what is it? Shop. Right. Next is again. What is it? Right. wash, wash. Next is little long, okay? E. Keep forgetting. Again. What is it? Finish. Finish. If you got that, very well done. Now here's another longer word. Okay? One more time. There's one long sound there, but I think you can get this. Wonderful! It's sunshine. Sunshine! Don't you just love the sunshine? As always, you were so good today, and we are done with another digraph. Keep rapping and keep reading. I'll see you in the next digraph. Bye!